How to segment your leads in Instant.AI. Segmenting your leads in Instant.AI is one of the smartest way to boost engagement and get better result from your outreach. Instead of blasting the same message to everyone, you can group leads based on the factors like industry, job title, location, or how they interacted with your previous emails. To do this, go to your leads list inside Instant.AI and use tags or filters to organize contacts into specific segments. For example, CEO in tech, marketing managers in healthcare, or warm leads who already opened or replied. Once segmented, you can tailor your campaigns with messaging that speaks directly to the group's needs, making your emails feel more personal and relevant. This is not only improves open and reply rates, but also protect your sender reputation, since you're reaching out with more targeted value instead of genetic blast. The more precise your segmentation, the more effective your Instantly AI campaigns will become. So that's it.